Hi everybody, welcome! My name is Phoenix and today I'm going to be talking about the movie called Zootopia. This movie is about animals who try to act like humans, and the main character is a little tiny bunny named Mrs. Hops. This is sort of what she looks like, but in the movie it's way cuter, and this is just for example because this is the only bunny right now I have, so that's what it looks like. And the second main character is a fox. His name is Nick Wild, and he looks like this. In this story, Mrs. Hops wants to become a police officer, but they think she's too small to do the job, and also because there's never been a bunny police officer before. And shouldn't police officers be bigger animals like lions and tigers and bears? Oh my! Anyway, she does a really good job, and she puts a lot of effort in it, and she does perfect. And do you know what? Yep, you guessed it. She becomes a police officer. And she's not called Mrs. Hops anymore. She's called Officer Hops. As a police officer, Officer Hops and Nick Wild have to team up together and try to figure out why these animals in Zootopia are going back to their savage ways. And what I mean by savage, I mean like predator eats prey. And what I mean by predator, I mean like lion eats rabbit, you know? Overall, I kind of liked this movie, and some of the parts I liked were when this adult fox, a little fox that was adult fox, pretended to be a baby, and also when there was a sloth and he went so slow. And the parts that I did not like was when there was this jaguar who went super savage and he tried to kill Nick Wild and Officer Hops, and I was like, I don't know, watch this. The reason why you should watch this movie is because it's educational for your kids, like predator eats prey, and also it teaches you that you should not give up, you should just try hard. And also, I kind of like this movie because there's a whole bunch of animals in this movie, and I love animals because I'm going to become a veterinarian when I grow up. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of my movie review for the movie called Zootopia. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.